Welcome, and let me introduce you to WealthFinPilot, a personal finance dashboard developed entirely in Excel. Back in the dashboard. This time, we're looking at how structured data entry works in WealthFinPilot. So far, we've only imported transactions for January. Let's process the next few months. Here's a typical bank export, pasted directly into the data entry sheet. Nothing fancy. Let's automate our data entry. You can choose the default WealthFinPilot extraction or specify a linked file path in the Settings tab. We'll stick with the default for now. Click Extract to load your transactions into the guided interface. The year, month, and amount are already pre-filled for each line. All that's left is to assign a main category and subcategory. We covered how to build those in the last video. Check it out if you haven't yet. Click Add or Refund to validate the entry. It appears immediately in the transaction preview panel. If you make a mistake, just delete the line. Clean and simple. Use Next and Previous to move through your transaction list at your pace. This interface keeps you focused on classification, not formatting. You can also review all previously analyzed entries in the History tab to ensure traceability. Once ready, click Save to close the form and return to the dashboard. Then click Analyze to integrate your data and update all charts and KPIs. WealthFinPilot turns raw transactions into structured insights and keeps you focused on what matters. With structured input, your dashboard stays clear, reliable, and ready for smart decisions. Thank you for watching. This is WealthFinPilot, and remember, plan smart, save more, stress less.